Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Arvind Limited. This stock is basically in a textile sector. The sector itself booming like anything, and the stock also follows the same. Currently, the stock gave a 2-year high which is around 87, and the stock also broke the major confluence area in the stock. So this is the technical chart of Arvind Limited. In this monthly chart, the stock gave a multi-bagger return to its investors. The stock gave almost a 1000% return on investment. So one can go long in the stock currently because the stock broke a major confluence area which acted since 2014. So this stock can be taken for long positions. And now let me analyze the stock in further. Now let me draw the major confluence area that acted in the stock. So this can be taken as the major confluence area for the stock, and let me show the major spots where the stock hit the confluence area. This can be considered as the major confluence area, and the stock also took support and resistance in this same region in monthly chart. So is this region can be considered as the most powerful region in the stock, and currently the stock is trading above the region, so it's very much good to go long in the stock. And let me draw another line which can be acted as a resistance for the stock. So this can be considered as the minor resistance for the stock. The stock is with good financials, and going long term is also very good in the stock. And let me move to the weekly chart now to analyze the chart further. In the weekly chart, the chart shows a clean breakout from the range. The confluence area was broken terribly with good breakout candle, so it's good to go long in the stock, and one can expect the short term target of 118. And let me show the retracement level that took by the stock. Let me use the Fibonacci retracement tool to analyze the retracement levels. So if you draw the retracement, the stock is currently in the exact 0.618 range, which can be considered as the major retracement zone. The both 0.618 and 0.786 can be considered as the bull run retracement zone. So one can go long in the stock blindly because it took a retracement at a perfect place, and the stock also broke the next price range above the confluence area, so it's good to go long in the stock. So let's move to the daily chart to analyze the chart in detail. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. And feel free to comment below and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. Now let me move to the daily chart. This is the daily chart of Arvind Limited. The stock has good financials, and currently the stock also broke a major zone of resistance, so one can go long in the stock without any doubt, and one can expect the target of. Now let me use the Fib extension tool to analyze the price target for short term. So one can place the swing low and swing high, and the retracement zone was quite lower in the short term, but it's good to go long in the stock. So in very short term, one can expect the target of 94.75 as a first target, and 116 price range can be taken as the second target for the stock, and it's almost a 30% upside from the current market price. One can go long at current market price, which is around 87 price. and 94 can be taken as a short term, very short term target, and 116 price range can be taken as the short term, which is around 2 months target for this stock. And for the long term, let me use the fib extension tool to analyze the target levels. For long term, one can use the fib extension for any time frame, and for long term it shows the entry above the price range of 91. So use the pyramid method to make investment in the stock. So going long in the stock is fine, and one can expect the target of 124 in the very short term, and this may occur slowly also because this shows a long term perspective. So 163 can be taken as the target for this stock, which is around 80% upside from the price of entry which we took earlier. So one can expect the target of 163 on slow and steady process. So stop is not at all needed in the stock, but if the stock broke vigorously the moving averages, then one should book losses and get out of the stock. But the stock may perform very well, and I am also considering a investment in the stock. So do your own analysis and invest in this stock. The stock is very good for long term and short term, and the short term category requires three criteria to be fulfilled, which is the shares should be less than 25% on pledging. So pledging shares of the company should be less than 25%. This is almost a pledge free company, so it's very good to go long in the stock. And the debt is also low in the stock, which is below 0.5 debt to equity ratio, so it's good to go long in the stock. And the short term trend should be on uptrend. So look at the black line which indicates the double EMA of 21-day moving average, which is below the price. So it's good to go long in the stock because the stock is in a short term uptrend. So it's good for long term and short term. And the short term targets is around 124 and long term targets is around 163, which can attain in very few weeks or within couple of months. So that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and get the notifications of the videos immediately by hitting the bell icon, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. Thank you.